Welcome to Brain Vision.
So here on this problem we are given that three identical balls, this one, and this one, are connected with these connecting rods, and the weight of these connecting rods are negligible, and the weight of each of the balls is 4 pound, and force is applied on one of the ball, this one, which is given to be as 20 pound. And I've drawn this free body diagram. This is a normal force and this one is the weight force. Now there are three balls, so total weight force would be 12 pound, 4 times 3, and it would be passing through center of mass. This point G is center of mass. Now we have to calculate the initial acceleration of the mass center. So to solve this problem, we can use the Newton's second law of motion, which is sigma fx is equals to max. Now this one is our x direction, this one. So in x direction we have only one force, that is 20 pound, is equals to, now mass is, weight we are given to be as 4 pound, so we can convert the units. 4 pound divided by 32.2, this much of mass, times the acceleration that we have to calculate. So from here the value for acceleration comes out to be as 53.7 feet per second square. So this is the required answer for the given problem. I hope you have understood the problem. Thank you.